Welcome back everybody to Tony's Top Tips Workshop. It's not an unboxing, but I've just acquired a treat myself to a new printer, 3D printer, and not that I haven't got enough of them. In fact, the x1c is printing in the background there, and I've purchased the Bambu Labs x1 carbon with the AMS. So this is it. I've taken it out of the box. I'm a bit restricted for room in here because it's not a particularly good day out there and it's raining. I've got one motorcycle out, but the other one's still in, so do excuse it. It's a bit cramped in it. But it comes really well packaged, as you can see in all the other videos. The unboxing. DPD brought it. I ordered it yesterday from Technology Outlet, and it was here today. No cost for the shipping. It's over £60, so it's free shipping, next day delivery. And I've had stuff from Technology Outlet before, quite a number of things. Pretty good. That's what I like about them. So they had them in stock, and I've been waiting. So here we are. Always save them, they come in handy for the cover. There we are. Now everything's inside the printer, but what comes with it, it's net weight 25.25 kilograms of support for PLA. So I presume it's like the breakaway or dissolvable support, I don't know. You've got the same 0.25 grams of carbon fibre. That's PLA carbon fibre, and you get, I don't know, I can't see what colour that is. Don't say on it what it is. And of course I've got some PLA basic, and that's about the same, 0.25 gram. So you've got something to run, but I have plenty of filament anyway. Right, we'll unpack this. Right, here we are. We've got the all the plastic off the door and the lid, which is over there. It comes all packaged, but you've got to be extremely careful when you're taking the plastic off. But off the glass door and the top. But anyway, we'll take this stuff out. That's that power adapter, screen, and some other bits and bats. We'll get to that shortly. To get these out now. This is what releases the AMS. There are two little screws you have to take out. Very small. That should release the AMS. There we go. Yep. AMS out. One black plastic. There's 4 screws, 2 at the front for the AMS, and then 4 here. They're marked red arrows, so you can't go wrong with that. And there's some more to take off for the bed. Two, I believe, the cool plate self-adhesive to replace them. So taken all the packaging out now, just putting the screen on, because there's some foam cushion that's underneath the build plate, so that's got to be removed, and the only way you can do that is move it up. It clips in at the back, and then put the screen in and slide it that way. It has a protective film, but we're not taking that off yet. And that's the screen on. Next job is to power up and move the bed up. Here we are back now. It's calibrating. You have to download the app, create an account, scan a QR code with you to get on to where you download it from, which is up there. And then once you've installed the app, then you log on to your account on the screen, and then you scan the QR code with the app, and it binds your machine. So the app and your account and Bambu Labs is linked together, and it's going through a calibration test now, vibration test, and there's lots of videos on YouTube, as you can hear it. It's quite noisy. How many times it does this, or how often it does it, I don't know. We shall see. Just put the glass door on. Might make it a bit quieter, but I don't know. Oh, yeah, it does quieten down a little bit. So we'll wait till it's 13% finished, so it's going to be a few minutes, so we'll come. Alright, well we're back, and it's done its calibration test. Takes quite a while, and I believe it only does that once. Now it's updating, there's a new firmware, so it's updating it. It does it automatically, it asks you, and then do you want to update? Yes. I have noticed a problem on the, well, it might not be a problem. What it is the plug that goes for the, which it's a black lead, short lead that goes into the printer at the back. It's a 4-pin plug with a locking pin on, and it didn't feel like when going in, it's loose. When I look inside, there should be 4 pins. One pin's out most, then there's 2 more set further back, and then there's one right in, as though it's not making a connection. So we'll see if it causes a problem. Right, here we are, all up and running. The connection I was worried about seems to be fine. If I get any problems with it, I'll be notifying Bambu. That won't be a problem, but I mean, it is really well finished off, and there's enough unboxings of these. It's not an unboxing video, is this? And first thing I'm printing off is the scraper, as you can see. It's you've got some scraper ends, so apparently it just fastens to your scraper. I don't know until I have a look. It's on its calibration of extrusion now, so we'll see what goes from there. This is the PLA basic that we got from, it came with the packaging. So desiccant is in at the back, so there's 2 compartments for that. I'm going to print the tray that people seem to print, and then put the loose in themselves, then buy the little bags. So we'll just see what happens there, and I'll keep you informed. I mean, it is printing, as you can see. It's done, it's printed somewhere. And it's on with the scraper now, so fingers crossed everything will go alright. I'll keep you informed with the finished item. There you go. Finished item. 13 minutes. That's what it said. Calibration at the front. No adhesive on that. I just put it on. I have removed it, I'm just showing it, but it did, the glue does actually put a barrier between, so it's a little bit easier to come off, but quality of that's pretty good, really good. And it connects remotely, so I can beam viewing it from my office upstairs. It's completed the print. I sent this from upstairs in the my computer room, went over Wi-Fi, and it's picked up, sent the print, and I've been monitoring it from upstairs, and I've been monitoring it from my mobile phone sat in the lounge. It's really good. Yeah, like it. I'm back up in the office now. This is the Bambu Labs is just an addition to the equipment that I have, and I've been waiting. It's like anything else. What I tend to do is wait until majority of the problems have been ironed out, and then you can see whether it's going to be a good product or not. And this has obviously seemed a good product, so that's it. I entered into the marriage with the bamboo. That's it for the video. It's just a short video. It was just to show me receiving it and how it does work, and it's easy to use, and I've used it since. And it as you're aware on the other previous video that I did on the circular vac pods, I did one, the green PLA, and that was printed on the Bambu Labs. And to say that, as I mentioned in that video, on the Zortrax it's 8.5 hours thereabouts, it's over 8 hours, and on the X1c it's about 5 hours. On the Bambu Labs it did it in about 1 hour and 45 minutes or something like that. I couldn't believe the speed it was going at. I haven't altered any settings. I just put the STL file in, made sure that the STL file and that I was on the right printer, because that's another problem that some people's been having, is they've downloaded STL files and it's been on a different printer. When they've sent it, it's caused well, one guy, it was due to, he put the STL file in and sent it to the printer, or downloaded the file, and it was set for the one of the other Bambu Lab printers, and it smashed his print head into the side and bent his actual nozzle. So it's something to be aware of. Still learning with it, and it just gives me the facility now that when I design something, it'll do it quicker, instead of messing around. But I still like using my other printers. I use them, so we'll see where it goes from there. Right, that's it for the video on the Bambu Labs, and like and subscribe, please. Like and subscribe. It makes a big difference to me, and I find it interesting answering people's questions anyway, and how I've helped them. It makes me feel as though it's worthwhile what I'm doing. So until next time, you be safe, be careful, and bye for now.